Hi, I'm Said. I'm the lecturer of Built Environment and Design discipline of University of Canberra, along with my colleagues, Dr. Reza Hosseini from University of Deakin, Mr. Hamid Golizadeh from Queensland University of Technology, and Professor Shankar Sankaran from University of Technology, Sydney, wrote a paper titled with Critical Success Factors for Integration of Sustainability into Construction Project Management Practices in Developing Countries for International Journal of Project Management and its special theme on project management and sustainability. I'm going to give a brief talk on the content of the paper to make it more readable and accessible for potential readers. So, the aim of this study is to present and develop an integrated model of significant indicators and factors for integrating the sustainability with construction project management in the developing countries. The background of this research is that developing countries invest large amount of money on their construction projects and making infrastructures. However, they have issues and challenges with their sustainability status. On the other hand, in the literature, there are different studies on critical success factors for construction project management. But I think there is a gap in making a specific list of critical success factors for integrating the sustainability with construction project management practices, especially for developing countries. That is why we first try to identify the relevant critical success factors from the literature for such a study. We could identify more than 300 CSFs, but the whole list are not completely relevant to the gap of sustainability and construction project management practices. That is why we try to make them into the scope of sustainability, construction project management, and developing countries by filtering them into three criteria of applicability to triple bottom line of sustainability, which includes the harmonized view of social, economic, and environmental principles, applicability to the context of developing countries, and applicability to the construction project management practices. Then we could reach to 56 items of CSFs that were further filtered and customized for the context by interviewing with 16 people, 16 experts from the construction industry. In the next step, we attributed those CSFs into the innovation diffusion theory. The reason for using innovation diffusion theory in this research is that the concept of the sustainability and construction project management integration could be deemed as an innovation for developing countries. That is why we distributed the final list of CSFs into 6 consecutive stages of innovation adoption theory, including identification, evaluation, commitment, preparation in organization, preparation on project, and implementation phases. Then we developed a questionnaire to validate such a conceptual model through getting the quantitative data from more than 100 experts from the country of Iran. Again, the reason for using Iran is that Iran was deemed as a test bed for this study as to the large share of construction industry and infrastructure projects in this country and the economic and business values of the construction industry in its sustainability status. That is why we could revise the conceptual model by using partial least square structural equation modeling technique. And then we could develop an integrated model from the established list of CSFs for being implemented in the construction industry of developing countries. The tangible outcome of this research is the integrated and established model, including the critical success factors for integrating sustainability in the construction project management practices in developing countries. Academically, it opens a new window of research for being more implemented in the further step for testing this model in the real-life examples of construction projects, and also contextualizing and conceptualizing the model, the integrated model, in the different contexts of developing countries as well. Thanks for your consideration.